Today I will show you how to install the back hitch receiver for the Kubota BX. This hole here is practical for install your safety chain on the trailer, and this hook is very practical to pull it everything you need. First, remove your backhoe when you have the backhoe. Take off this 4-bolt. Take off this plate. The hitch replace this plate. Install your bolt. Install your nut under. And you just need to tight your bolt with the tool, and that's it. It's very easy. Thanks everybody, and have fun with your back hitch receiver.